In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wise account effortlessly. As we embark on this process together, I'm here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring that by the end of our time, you'll have a fully functional Wise account ready to use. Let's get started by opening the Wise website or app. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to select an email address. This will be the email you'll use as your login for Wise, so make sure it's one you frequently check and have ready access to. With your email selected, we'll be moving on to the next crucial decision. You'll be presented with choices for the type of account you want to create. While Wise offers both personal and business accounts, today we'll be focusing on setting up a personal account. This setup is perfect for managing your individual finances or making occasional transfers without the complexity of a business account structure. Having settled on a personal account, our next step is to specify the country in which your account will be based. In this demonstration, we're going to choose Nigeria. It's important here to make sure you select the correct country, as this choice will affect the currency settings and regional features available to you through Wise. Once your country is set, go ahead and click on the Continue button. This will take you to the page where you need to enter your mobile number. It's essential to input this number correctly because Wise will use it to send you a verification code. This step not only secures your account, but also ensures that Wise can communicate with you about your transactions. After entering your number, click the button to send the verification code. Keep an eye on your phone for the code that will be sent shortly. Once you receive the code, enter it as prompted. This will verify your phone number and help safeguard your account setup process from unauthorized access. Next, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These instructions will guide you through the final steps needed to establish your account, including setting up a strong, memorable password. Your password is crucial for protecting your financial information, so make sure it's something secure and not easily guessable. Once you complete your password setup, congratulations are in order because you're almost ready to use your new Wise account. You can now log in using the email and password you've just set up. And there you have it. You've now joined the Wise community and you're all set to explore the convenient features it offers. Whether you plan to send money internationally or just want a modern solution for managing your finances, Wise is a great choice. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, if you have any questions, Wise's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you.